Okay, here we go. I've opened up my MetaTrader, and what do you know? We got a okay. We have a nice little currency pair to look at. The Greater British Pound to the U.S. dollar, better known as the cable. It's okay. This is a good one to look at. Let's begin here. I'm gonna close down some of these oscillators right now. We're not talking about those today, and we'll look at those next week. It's easy to add in a moving average. You go to insert, then indicators, moving average, and let's add in a 55-day. Okay, that's your 55-day moving average. Now, what is a moving average? That is the most important thing. Moving average is an indicator frequently used in technical analysis. You see it almost every day in almost every chart. It's used a lot. It shows the average value of a security over a price period. What you do is say you have a price period of 3. You have $21, $22, $20. Add those together, divide by 3. That's your moving average. Moving average are generally used to measure momentum. With the security you're looking at is going, whether it's a forex pair or a commodity or an equity, and it also helps to define areas of possible support and resistance. Now, last week we spoke about trend lines, and if you recall, putting in a trend line along 3 pivot points, a minimum of 2 to 3 pivot points, say one like this, here, here, and here. Possible support levels to watch out for. Let's put in another trend line. Let's take a look, see what happens. Let's put in a 20-day. Let's pick a different color here, different kind of line. Not particularly liking that one, but that's okay. It could be good. If you're looking at the moving average, say the shorter term or the longer term 55-day, what you're noticing is that the currency is still trading above that moving average, along with the 20-day. That could indicate that the security in question is overvalued. So it could indicate, not saying that it can, indicate that it's overbought. Also, right here, at this level right here, you see this intersection between two of them. Right here at around 156,483, so on, it's a possible support line. You also have another possible support line just above here, say about 15725. This is basically how you use a moving average, and you see it almost in every chart and so on. Next week we're going to talk about oscillators like the RSI. You saw I had those opened up before, and just to show you what that looks like, we'll put it in again. This is what we're going to talk about next week. RSIs. We'll tie them in with the moving averages, which you see here and here, and with trend lines. And as we go forward, we're going to try to put everything together. And hopefully you'll have a clearer picture on how to trade or how to use your charts and how to make a trading decision. Moving averages are a good tool to use. They can show, as I mentioned before, they can show momentum, where certain security type is going, whether or not it's the Greater British Pound, USD, a forex pair, or a commodity, oil, or gold, or an equity like, I don't know, Microsoft, Intel, or Google. The moving averages are a neat little tool to begin helping you in your daily trading life. And next week we're going to look at oscillators. I have a question for you. I'm going to remove all these and just keep the moving averages. Tell me what you think. What other support levels can you see by looking at these two moving averages? Let me know what you think. Again, at the end, in the comment section, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think support levels could be. Let me know what you would like to hear going forward. Maybe you have a currency pair or a commodity you want me to analyze tomorrow. Okay, that takes care of this. Look for the next segment next week. Good luck. Have a great week, and we'll talk again soon.